to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make yogurt curry. So let's get started. I've got here 1 medium onion which I have thinly sliced, 1 cup of water, 2 cups of homemade yogurt, or you can use plain yogurt or Greek yogurt, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of turmeric. You can adjust the amount of turmeric depending on how strong your turmeric is. 1 sprig of curry leaves which I have thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, and 3 chilies which I have split halfway. Take a big dish, add yogurt, water, and if your yogurt is not very thick, then add only half a cup of water, turmeric, and half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix and taste your salt. It just needs a little bit more salt, so I'm going to add extra quarter teaspoon of salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Mix it well and put it aside. Take a fry pan, put it on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 20 seconds. Add onions, curry leaves and chilies. Give it a mix and cook it until the onions are translucent. Turn the heat off, add it to the yogurt and give it a mix. My yogurt curry is ready and you can make it and serve it with rice, any vegetable curry and some pickles. Leftover yogurt curry can be kept in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 5 days. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.